Hey guys, so today I will show you how you can use the VO3 in EU, worldwide, doesn't matter, because this is really easy and free and fast. So first thing what you have to do is, here you can see the flow is not available in your country, you probably know this. And if you go to Google Gemini, where you can basically create the videos with VO3 as well, here you can see generate with VO2. So I am in EU, just like you most likely. So what you have to do is go on Chrome or on your browser. Here you will just write FreeVPN Chrome, and this is the exact VPN I'm using, FreeVPN for Chrome, VPN proxy, VPN. So here you can see the rankings, all the stats, so you don't get another one. So what you have to do is add to Chrome, and this is basically free. So let's add the extension. Now it will add to my Chrome, and here you can see, let's close this one. Let's open this FreeVPN. Continue, start. So here you can see VPN is off. Let's basically switch to USA. You can choose Oregon or Virginia, doesn't matter. I tried both worked. Now I will choose Oregon, and let's just start, power on. And now it is connecting, the VPN is on. So here you can see the flow is not available in your country yet. When we refresh the page, let's see. So let's write like this, flow. It might take a few seconds, but now here you can see the flow is available. The website is available right now. And if we go to Google Gemini, right here you can see VO2. But if we refresh the page, you will see something magical. And right now, generate with VO3. And I will show you examples that this is not fake. So let's, for example, create some video. Let's write a prompt. Show you how to press this video button, and the prompt will be: there is a spilled milk on a pavement. Suddenly a small white chihuahua appears from it smoothly and starts barking. So let's create the video. And here you can see, just a second, the video will be basically generating right now. And here you can see it will take 3 to 5 minutes. So let's speed it up and let's see the result. So here you can see the video is ready, and let's play the video. So that's basically the video. I wanted actually the Chihuahua appear from the milk, but the AI didn't understand. And I actually made a video before. So here is a dog that appears from a liquid spill from a ketchup. So let's press play. Sometimes these videos are, you have to wait a little bit before they start play. But here you will see another great example from VO3 video creation. Here you can see the video. So amazing, a small dog appears from a spill of ketchup, and you hear all the sounds. So that's basically how you can access VO3 videos. If you are talking about this flow where you can create videos from your own image, it is not available. You can basically go this far where you how to select this. Basically VO3 you cannot upgrade, because then it switches to your, here you can see, I am trying to basically create VO3. When I press upgrade, it is going to accounts, and then it basically understands that this is not a USA based account. So yeah, that's basically it. You can create a VO3 videos from Gemini.google.com. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell, so every time I upload you get a notification of the latest AI news, latest AI prompts and alpha. And yeah, thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.